Hey there! I'm going to talk about when you should record a video versus when you should record a GIF. So videos and GIFs are both great communication tools, but knowing which one to record and when is a little bit of a challenge sometimes. So I'm going to walk you through a few tips to help you decide when to use a GIF and when to use a video. So first off, GIFs. GIFs are great for quickly sharing what you're seeing on your screen. Remember that GIFs don't have audio and they're going to loop, so your viewer won't have the ability to pause and play them. GIFs are best for short clips, think 15 to 20 seconds, where you just need to show something really quickly. Videos, on the other hand, are great for when you want to show something a little bit longer and a little bit more complicated, like answering a complicated question or giving a step-by-step instructions or capturing bugs or creating training videos. With video, you can capture audio right here and your webcam as well to give it a little bit more of a personal touch. Also, videos are pausable unlike GIFs, so your viewer will be able to pause, go back, and skip to different parts in the video. To sum it all up, GIFs are best for showing things that are short and sweet. Videos are best for longer, more complex things. Using both, though, you can communicate and collaborate quicker than ever.